It's breakfast time. On Friday, Sophie and her family have a small breakfast. They get up and they have cereal and milk. They have juice too. They have toast. What's that? It's peanut butter. They have tea too. Many people in Britain like tea. Who's this? It's Lee. It's Saturday morning. And it's breakfast time. On Saturday, Lee and his family have a big breakfast. They have an omelette. It's got eggs. And it's got potatoes too. It's delicious. Look at the delicious food. What do you like for breakfast?